Hello friends, welcome back. How are you all? Friends, hope you all are fine. Let's begin the reading. What's the current situation of your person and what's going on in your person's life? Let's see. Princess of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, Lady, World card, the Hermit, and the Three of Pentacles card is coming. Your person actually, I could say, the Prince of Cups or Princess of Cups is a very loving energy. You can say a person is feeling very romantic and very reminiscing all the past love with you. You can say that because in this person is closing their eyes and they have hold the cup so close to their mouth, so you can see that the person is feeling very nostalgic at present and they are definitely manifesting or thinking a lot about you. You can say that because Eight of Pentacles, this person is definitely manifesting and working very hard. You can say working very hard working person. This is, they are working hard or they are doing inner work or they are realizing or they are awakening. This is quite possible with your person. This is very quite possible with your person. They want that abundance with you. Therefore the lady card is coming with the abundance. This lady is completely full package, you can say, complete abundant, you can say that. So this person wants that abundance with you. They are definitely manifesting and thinking about you right now. The World card, the Hermit, and the Three of Pentacles. This person is definitely working very hard. I am telling you, a continuous Eight of Pentacles card is also coming and Three of Pentacles card is also coming. See how people are watching him, how this person is working so hard. Got it? So much hard work they are putting, so much efforts they are putting in their life. Actually, I think they are thinking a lot or they are thinking of taking an action or something like that, because for them you are the world. I told you the Empress card and the World card, complete package, you could say that also. So this person definitely thinks you in a high regard and they have a lot of respect for you. They are deep thinking actually right now. They have lot of issues that they have to solve actually. So they are thinking a lot what to do and what to do. They just see they are on the edge of this this mountain and they are thinking what they should do next, and they are close to the water. So definitely they are in a emotional, they are in their emotions right now. You can say that if you are thinking a person is angry with you, so I don't think they are angry, they are emotional right now. You can say that very emotional. This person is getting emotional. I don't know why, but they are getting emotional right now. See, the same cards are coming, the Duke cards, the Page of Pentacles, Princess of Cups. So this person definitely thinks of contacting you. I'm telling you, with a small offer or something like that, not a major offer, big offer, but they definitely think of coming towards you. And again, this same card, Queen of Cups, is coming. This person is seeing in this cup, they are getting very emotional. I'm telling you, completely emotional. In a emotional energy of person is right now, because nowadays the energy is going right now till solar eclipse. This energy till 10th, this energy is going to be very high. Some people are going to feel very nostalgic also, some people are going to feel very angry also, and some people are going to feel very emotional also. This is quite possible till solar eclipse, because this energy is prominent. And again, the World card and the Wheel of Fortune, you can see that some major cycles are closing. So this person is working hard towards moving ahead and closing the chapters in their life that are not serving them to move towards you. They are working very hard, you can say. In short, you can say the person is working very hard. See, these three cards have come up. Let's see what these cards are. This person, definitely a person is a very matured person, you can say. They are very matured person and they are consulting some matured person. This is also quite possible. That this card is coming, community card is coming in reverse. So this person is not happy in their family. Whatever family they are in right now, they are not happy in their family. I could say that they have money and everything, whatever they desire, materialistic things, they have materialistic things, but they are not happy in relationship, you can say. No, either with the parents or either with their spouse if they are married, or with the person they are. So they are not happy in this relationship, you could say that. Let's see, your person, you have to believe this, because you have to believe that your person loves you. If you are not going to believe, you are not going to succeed. if you believe and have faith, you will succeed definitely, because this is a card of success. So definitely you will success, you will get success with your person, but you have to give space to your person. If you are not doing mirror exercise, whatever problem your person is showing you, or whatever ego your person is showing you, or whatever thing your person is triggering you right now, and if that thing is bothering you, then see what they are trying to show, and please practice mirror exercises if you don't know, and please listen to your intuition what they are trying to say, and please listen to the universe what they are trying to tell you. What me, if your person is triggering you, then try to understand or listen what is that trigger and what it is pointing out to you, and what inner work you have to do. That's the universe is telling you. Temple path, that see the person is getting little bit of spiritual also, I could say. Even you are getting very spiritual, or you are working very hard, or you are doing prayers or something like that. So I definitely see you visiting church or temples or something like that, right now or in the future. The storm warming, I definitely see a tower movement in your person's life, because this storm, you could see how the storm is there. I see some tower movements in your person's life, because the door to personal healing and happiness. If you want to come towards your happiness, there has to be some major breakthrough. There has to be some breakthrough. Yeah, some tower movements. Then only the life is going to change. That time only a person is forced to take a decision, because sometimes persons are not ready to take a decision. But when the tower movements comes in their life, and their life is completely shaken up, they don't know what to do and this and that, then they ask questions to the universe. That time they are shown the door to healing and happiness. That time they start healing themselves, and they know what they desire, what is in their heart, they know that, and that time they start working towards it, because this person is definitely thinking a lot about you. I can say that this person is definitely thinking a lot about you, and they are working hard. I'm telling you, continuous, this person's card is coming, they are working hard, they don't know, they are trying to know what is their personal happiness, and they are trying to heal themselves, because this tower movement is forcing them to think about all these things. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.